man, you guys, this area is gorgeous. So I did laundry and went to the grocery store and went to the recycling center. Everything is so nice here. It's like, this must be where rich people live. Like the things in the supermarket, my jaw dropped at how expensive it was, but the quality was like insane. And a lot of it was like local stuff. Wow. And there's bike lanes and hiking freaking everywhere. Just, and like manicured lawns. I wonder what it looks like in the winter. So Sun Valley has like a little over, I think, 1,000 residents. And Ketchum, which is right next door, has a little over 3,800. So between the two towns, you can pretty much get anything you want. Huh. I mean, look at this. Oh, it's a gun club. See, they have everything. God. I could definitely spend some time here. Oh, man. I like this place. When I was hanging out with my friend Will Burson, we were trying to figure out where we were going to go next. He said one of his friends that traveled all over the country said the most beautiful place he's ever been was Sun Valley, Idaho. And that always stuck in my mind, and he was pretty right. So yeah, I'm still in the Sawtooth National Forest, headed to Trail Creek Road campsite. And it's in the 70s. What?
It kind of reminds me of the hills are alive with the sound of music. Okay, that's enough for me.
Another day, another campsite. So this is where I ended up. Not bad. It's a little close to the road. There are some more spots down here, but I might move tomorrow. We'll see. What a beautiful day. It is 75 degrees. There's all these beautiful summer wildflowers. Down here is a rushing stream. Of course, it's a super steep cliff, so I gotta keep an eye on Drizzy. But yeah, I think I'll call this home for a little bit. There are a few other campers down there, but it's not too crowded just yet. It's Thursday, so we'll see how the weekend goes. But it's getting kind of chilly in this freaking shade. So I had a sandwich in town. I shouldn't have, but I was starving. Didn't eat till 2 o'clock. I don't know why I do that to myself. I get to the point where I'm just like completely starving, and I wonder why I make bad choices. I mean, it could have been worse, right? I could have had something fried, but you know how it goes. Ooh, look how shiny my hair is. How did that happen? Huh. You happy? Are you a happy boy? Hi, sweetheart. Yeah. He's my buddy. Mom's gotta put her laundry up. So, yeah. Went shopping. Probably spent too much money. But I got some fruit and some vegetables. Yeah! And I had to do this. There were so many like local items in the grocery shop. And so yeah, I got this. They have Big Wood bread stores here that I saw around town. So I went ahead and bought a loaf. Look at this, ingredients. Local, sustainable, unbleached wheat flour, filtered water, sea salt. Bam! That's how you do it, folks. No fillers, no additives, no sugar, no crap. Yeah, that's how you make bread. So yeah, it smells absolutely divine. So I can't wait to have a little bit of that with my salad. I need to clean my kitchen, clearly. Got Got some apples that were on sale. A melon. They actually had a pretty decent produce department in that store. It's called Atkins. I forget. Yeah, Atkinson's. Super cool shop. I really liked it. I wish I was a millionaire so I could afford to buy all the things that I wanted though. You know, like a regular, like 8-ounce coconut water, you know, that you drink with lunch or whatever. $5. I'm not even joking. Okay, well, like $4.49 or something. And then a full size that I could drink easily in a day, $10. So I think I'm just gonna stay here all weekend, and then once the crowds thin out a little bit, there's some things going on this weekend, I can't remember. And then of course I still want to get my bike, right? They do a lot of bike rentals here, but hopefully I can find a decent bike. I need to clean this van again. I just cleaned it this morning. Recycled, so that got rid of some stuff, but man, life in a 90 square foot. Anyway, I'm getting off topic. Okay, so we got Ketchum's here, Sun Valley, mountain here, up here to the Sawtooth National Recreation Area, and to Stanley. Stanley, Idaho is also supposed to be another really cool little town that I will check out once I head out of here. But yeah, there's like so many, all these different trails. I don't know, man. Am I easily impressed, or is this place awesome? I don't know. Coming from Dallas that has nothing to offer nature lovers and outdoors people, it's just like, wow. I'm not gonna really vlog much this weekend unless something crazy happens. You never know, right? But check in with you if I get a bike, or I guess I'll see you next time when I'm on the road heading north. Check you later, alligator. Okay. Fucking weirdos. All the places to park, get to park right in my camp spot. I don't understand the thought process. Like, this isn't a trailhead. What do you, I'm a woman camping alone. And you gotta park right up on me, right? Good thing he's an old man and it's during the daytime. Otherwise, I'd be pissed. Hey, why are you growling? Look at this beautiful flower that I'm in love with. There are these purple ones. But then there's this little guy. So yeah, today's Sunday. Or, today's Saturday. I lose track of time. Damn mosquitoes. I ordered a new bike. So I will use my beautiful Swedish bike rack soon. Yeah. Baby, there's mosquitoes on you. You gotta go inside, baby. Ah. Fuckers. So that should be coming in this week. So I'm gonna have a bike shop. Okay. A local bike shop here in Ketchum. Put it together for me. Get it fitted for my 5'5" medium frame. And then I'm also gonna go check out the Ernest Hemingway stuff. Papa liked this area, but apparently he didn't like it too much. No, he killed himself here in 1961. Him and his wife had a house here. I like Papa. He's an American treasure. And he was super hot back in his day, folks. Anyway, so that's my plan for next week. Yeah, mosquitoes ruining all our fun. Huh. Yay, yay, yay! I am the Frito Bandito! I love you, fantastic fan. Do you love me?
I love you. You love me. Oh my god. Trying to entertain myself. More cleaning? Jeez. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I disturb you? I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Rude. Stop watching me while I bathe, Mom. Golly gee whiz. I don't like that smell. I don't like it. Hi.
So I had protein shake with some fruit earlier today around lunch, 1 o'clock. And then I also finished off my leftover salad, which was in this container. My raw vegan cauliflower parsley tabbouleh salad. And so it's dinner time and I don't really want to, my kitchen is a mess and I don't want to bother. So I'm just going to have some vegetarian beans. Yes, they do have sugar in them. They have brown sugar and regular sugar, 12 grams, but 0 fat, and protein and fiber. So just because it has sugar in it doesn't mean it's the devil. I know sugar has gotten such a bad rap. I could be having much worse choices for my dinner selection, okay? Just want to throw that out there. It's all about balance.
What do you think? There's your dinner right there. Yeah. Eat my puppies. Yeah, it's my little puppy.
So yep, I'm only having half. So I put the rest in my Tupperware. So yeah, there's dinner. Well, it's Monday and it looks like all of the campers cleared out of here. So it's just me. So let's go for a little walk, shall we? Beautiful day, huh? We're supposed to get some rain this afternoon, today and tomorrow. That would be nice, actually. Cool it down a little bit. We'll see. Look at this cute little trailer. Oh my gosh. How adorable is that? It looks brand new too. Dude, you could tow that with like anything. That's cool. Home sweet home. Ah, we've got a nice breeze going today. Holy cow. So it rained for like 2 seconds. Wind is crazy. I didn't have a chance to completely put up my awning, but that's as close as we're gonna get, but dang. It died down just now. Crazy, huh, buddy? See, what's going on out there? There was a flood warning, but no warning of a freaking windstorm. This is crazy. Jeez. This is so funny to me because it just like came out of nowhere. It's a nice reprieve from the heat though, I'll tell you that. It's probably in the 60s now. Y'all like my dirty window? Sheesh. Please don't let my awning fly off. It's only out like 10 inches. That's what she said. Oh God. Oh my goodness. Oy vey. What's going on out there, bubbies? Would not want to be in a tent right now. No, sirree, Bobberino. No, thank you. Why are you so cute? Huh? And it's hailing. Light hail, but still. It's interesting to wake up to. I was not expecting this. Hi, baby. It's okay, baby. I think it's turned to rain now. It's all right. Oh.